Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a Redmi Note 8 Pro version. This I ordered from my local internet store, and I make a little mistake with delivery options, but that's fine. It finally come, and I will be doing an unboxing. Is it Redmi Note 8 Pro 6 gig 128 GB RAM storage. Brilliant phone. I hope I make a good decision order this one. And also the only available color is being the black color. I think in between the black and gray, but finally I ordered the black because it's been the first one on the stock, and that's why I've got this hopefully lovely black color. Okay. Funny is, this phone in global version in my country looks like will be in two more colors as well, which will be blue color and orange color. I'm thinking about the blue one, but because I don't want to wait, I just ordered this black one. It's only options I can do it now, otherwise I will need to wait like another 1 month, and I don't want to wait because I really need the new phones. And that's why I ordered this one, Redmi Note Xiaomi 8 Pro. And for now I will do unboxing this Redmi Note 8 Pro global version, and we'll be showing what is inside the global version box in my country. Okay, here you go, let's go open it. Here you go, it's a manual, probably in my language. Okay, we have a manual in Czech, Slovak, Polish, Hungary and Deutsch language. Outside the box, it's been stick on the box. Right, how to use the phone in quick menu. Have a look. Okay, now we have a look inside the box. Okay, we have the global version, and as you can see, the global version have a different box. If you compare with Chinese one, you got a red one for Pro version. For standard Note 8 version is a blue box. Yeah, and that's the biggest difference. You can straight away see from the box is a global, it's not the Chinese version. We have a 2 IMEI on the side because it's dual SIM phone, and let's go have a look and open the phone. Okay, lovely box. Inside there is a small box. We have put this on the side and have a look what's in the small box. SIM tray opener. We got the jelly case. It looks very nice. Here you go, it's transparent one. You can have a look. Yeah, looks fine. I actually like it. Another one, we got a manual in different languages. Okay, let's go have a look on the phone. Okay, we put phone on the side for now and have a look on another stuff which is inside the box. Okay, open. Got a charger and charging cable. It's a USB-C cable and charger. Straight away inside from box. This global version is have a 3 different output. Probably is a quick charger as well. It have a 5 watt, 3 amp, 9 watt, 2 amp and 12 watt, 1.5 amp. Okay, this should be charged the phone about 2 hours to full charge. Phone have a 4500 milliamperes battery size and should be charging that phone in full capacity in 2 hours with this charger. That's fine. Okay, and that's it. Looking on phone now is my first impression as well. Okay, slide out. Okay, we have a Redmi Note sticker, and another side there's a couple of other stickers. Yeah, phone looks nice and solid. Take off the foil. Here we go. Another side. Now just switch on phone. Here you go. You'll see how quick it's switching on. I will also put a case. Here you go. It's Xiaomi 10, and I will just quick set up this phone, test it, and later on post some review. Hopefully you like this unboxing. This phone looks amazing for me, and first impression is very nice. Okay, we done. This phone is switching on, and I will be test this phone, make a couple of samples for cameras, videos, recording, what this phone can do it, install the Antutu as well, whatever you like to know in this global version. Let me know on the comment, and I will be make a video quick as possible. I will be do some series about this video, about this phone, sorry, and later on I will definitely post some nice, good, long review, short review, review about the camera, review about the performance and stuff like this. There's my daily driver phones now, and hopefully I make a good decision. Click like, subscribe, and see you all later.